Hello, investors and traders, and welcome to Quick Chart Tuesday. I'm AJ Monte, and this is a daily candle chart of MicroStrategy Inc., ticker symbol MSTR. I'm going to take a look at the daily, we'll go to the weekly, and then we'll end with the monthly. But first, that is a bearish engulfing candle that is following a massive bearish engulfing candle right here. If you look down below, the stochastic is still heading lower. The CCI, which is the Commodity Channel Index, my most favorite oscillating index, has crossed with a sell signal. And if you take a step back looking at that weekly chart, that is a bearish candle, no doubt, with a sell signal on the stochastic, and we are very close to a sell signal on the CCI on the weekly chart. One more step back looking at that monthly candle, that is eerily reminiscent of what we saw in the boom and bust of MicroStrategy back in the day. This company has not shown a profit. It's $4 billion in debt. They keep buying Bitcoin with the leveraged cash. And if you take a look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is not having a good day at all. In fact, if you look at the daily candle on ticker symbol BTC, you can see that we had a pivot here on Monday with the sell signal on the stochastic and the sell signal on the CCI. First red candle showing up after a long stretch of green, so it will most likely head lower. Again, not good news for MicroStrategy Inc. This is a downside target right there of 229.54. It might seem extreme to some, but I've hit my price targets 82% of the time. So if you're a buyer, make sure you use protective stops. Risk management is critical in a stock like this. And if you're an option trader and you are in any kind of a put spread or any kind of a negative delta position, congratulations, because when MicroStrategy starts heading lower and mimicking what we saw back here in 2000, and I do believe it could, you're going to see a bloodbath for those who refuse to get out or protect themselves. You heard it here first. Quick Chart Tuesday. I'll talk to you next Tuesday. Stay tuned to Zero Hedge and YouTube. You have a happy Thanksgiving, and I'll talk to you soon. So long.